Love is stronger than pride. So when you love, tell him and never let go. Love is a gift, not an obligation. Follow heart and always trust the person you love. Good evening, everyone. I'm Irene Bacan, 16 years of age. I'm proud to be Bakanan!
Tinggalan ako istorya ha.
Agay. Everyone, I am, you know now. May kasabihan po tayo, aanhin mo pa ang Facebook kung friends mo ay 30 only.
Pasok ka eh. Hindi mo na kasing ganda ng mama mo o kasing sexy ng ate mo, malay mo, lola mo ako. Hi, I'm Genevieve, 17 years old, and I'm proud to represent from Bacanhan!
Gila! Unsay sunod?
Fresh like that, 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 fresh like. Okay, take a look at my swagger. So sharp as a dagger. When it comes to fresh look.
Kusan ako. Go, Genevieve! Go, Genevieve! Question! If you are given a chance,
Bye-bye, Pauli Nay!
How to improve your life?
we're working hard.
Ah!
But I know it's no. And study hard. Study. Do not love. And most of all,
Pangit na yung question.
that's all and thank you. Bye. Sige, ikaw rin sa doon. Question.
Pwede ba manipur ka?
Question.
Ikaw no, sino man si Lola man sa doa ila Joy Joy. Sig banot pick.
Bakit maliit?
Gina. Mabutang lagi ni sa Facebook. Gina lagi. Magdaliram. Magdaliram. Andan version naman. Isay-isay.
Kung ikaw ay isang kung ikaw ay isang dalaga, kung ikaw ay isang dalaga, ano sa palagay mo ang magiging kalagayan mo?
Gina.
Kalagayan.
Papa.
Kung ikaw ay isang dalaga, Sa palagay mo, ano ang dapat mong gampanan at bakit?
Alam mo, pageant, dun ka pa ba? Nice costume, nalimutan niya kayo nanalo sa pageant. If you win the competition,
Kasi para madami ko pera. Ay, bye-bye.
Wow, babay na.
wala, na. Oh my God.
So, yun na. Gusto na yun.
Ay, sige, pag-kwan.
Oh, kabla kayo.
Pageant. Ang sa'yo mong buhaton.
Ang
I will win this. I said that. Thank you for that wonderful question. If I will win this competition, of course, I will be proud of myself because, you know,
Genevieve.
Okay, what's your question?
Lisa, ikaw na si Pa.
when it's falling down.
Okay, babe.
Oh, no.
Sumali si Winda. Sabay ko daw ka sa model.
Babalin
Sa may buhaton.
Cover sa FHM.
Ha? Kung ako, mudaog ko magka-model. Ako buhaton. Magpasalamat. O, ilabi na gyud.
Ang sarap